Meet Bruno. His impound number is A4469847. He is a 6-year-old short-haired Chihuahua who is absolutely one giant lap dog. He would be perfect for any senior citizen who just wants a very relaxed dog. He came into the Carson Animal Care Center on August 1st. His previous family said that he was good with small children, but might need a little obedience. At 15 pounds, he will need a family who would put him on a diet because he could use a little weight. But he gets along well with other dogs, so he would be great with a family, anyone who lives in a small apartment, senior citizens, whoever. Is there anything you can tell us about Bruno?
Bruno's a very well-behaved dog. He'll be great for taking him out to the park, for a walk, anywhere. He'll just sit all day with you on the couch, on a bench, anywhere you want to take him. He'll go gladly go.
Okay, so come into the Carson Animal Care Center today to adopt Bruno.